Hey everyone, it's Eden again with the University of Missouri Extension, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about pickling salt and how it's a little different than our table salts. So my first year of canning, I actually thought, well, what is so special about this canning salt? Why do I need to buy special salt to can? I'm just going to use table salt. And what had ended up happening was my jars became really cloudy. And that is because canning salt is made to make a clear solution in your canning product, and so it allows you to have a clear view of what's inside your jars. When you have a cloudy product, that is one of the signs of spoilage. So if you're using something other than a pickling salt, what can happen is you can think it's actually spoiled, and it's the effects of the table salt. So remember to think about the products that you put into your jars and how it might affect it. I hope you find this helpful, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.